Hi there, welcome to the Ingredient Channel. Are you a big fan of egg rolls or spring rolls but prefer eating healthy and are a bit concerned to consuming too much deep fried food? If so, this recipe is for you. In this episode, I am going to introduce two simple and delightful spring roll recipes without deep fry involved. With the careful selected ingredients and the special cooking technique, the spring rolls introduced in this video retain their crisp to satisfy your taste buds with much less oil. Alright, let's begin. For the skin, I strongly recommend the Spring Home spring roll sheets. Comparing to the egg roll sheets, the spring roll skin does not have egg in the ingredients and won't get hard very easily, especially after it cools down. We'll make two types of fillings. One is cabbage, egg, and turkey stir fry, which has the savory taste, full of fiber and protein. To satisfy the sweet teas you and your family and friends may have, we will make some rolls with red bean paste. I'm using the J Basket red bean paste, which is already sweetened. If you're interested in making the paste of your own from scratch, please check out my homemade red bean paste video. Let's make the cabbage fillings. Shred the cabbage. To reduce starch and carbs, we'll not add rice noodles in the fillings, which are called for in many traditional recipes. Dice some scallion and mix with the shredded cabbage. Set aside. Crack and whisk 3 eggs. Prepare for half cup of ground turkey. In a heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Stir fry the cabbage and the diced scallion until the cabbage gets soft and transparent. Try not to overcook. Leave some amount of moisture inside will increase the taste of rolls. In the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's fry the eggs. Then add the ground turkey. Keep stir frying until the turkey turns brown. Add light soy sauce, fish sauce, and salt. Mix well. And then add the cabbage back in. With a pinch of salt, keep stir frying for about 1 minute. Shovel it out, set aside for use later. Now let's wrap the rolls. We will start with the red bean paste. Add about 1½ tablespoon of paste. Create a 2 inches long stick. Keep it in the lower center part of the sheet. Fold the bottom edge forward to cover the paste. Then fold the 2 side edges in. Then gently but tightly roll forward. When you reach the end, you can use a bit of water or egg liquid to stick the sheets together. Otherwise, just leave the open end on the bottom. The moisture of the fillings will eventually stick the skin together. For the cabbage fillings, spoon out about 1 tablespoon of fillings and follow the same steps to make the roll. Try not to overstuff the roll as the skin is very delicate, thin, and easy to break apart. Now we're going to fry the rolls. In a large box, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Dip each roll in the oil and make sure the roll is well covered with oil. If you have a non-stick pan, please use it. Otherwise, here's the trick. Use a sheet of parchment paper to cover the bottom of the pan. Lay the rolls on top. Turn the heat on high until oil starts sizzling. Turn the heat down to medium. Keep frying. Flip the rolls from time to time to make sure it turns golden brown on all sides. I found this technique creates a better result than baking, as it is harder to flip the rolls in the oven to achieve the golden brown color and crisp on all sides of the rolls. Then we will follow the same steps for the cabbage rolls. There you go, a wonderful appetizer. It is very crisp outside, but with less oil compared to the traditional deep fried version. The cabbage fillings are very juicy in taste, while the red bean rolls are creamy and sweet inside. Perfect combinations. Once again, hope you enjoy this episode. Check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe, which will help this little channel to grow. Thanks.